Hi there, language learners. I'm Steve, and welcome to Single Step English. In this lesson, we're going to look at the humorous expression, fat chance. By the way, it has nothing to do with body weight. All right, let's get started. When someone says fat chance, it's like saying, yeah, right. It's a playful way of expressing doubt or saying something is pretty much impossible. Picture this. Your friend says they can eat 2 large pizzas alone. You chuckle and respond, fat chance. Nobody can eat those 2 pizzas by themselves. Or if someone claims they'll teach their cat to sing opera, you might laugh and say, fat chance, your cat will never learn how to sing. Fat chance is a nice way to use a little humor in your conversations. Give it a try when you want to say that there is 0 chance of something occurring. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.